Alright guys, we got something very interesting. I'm at the car wash. We're gonna get our car wash is filthy. I mean the car wash, the car is filthy, so we're gonna get our car cleaned up. And we got one ahead.
Yeah, there's one being washed now and we're next.
I'm with my grandfather, yeah. I want you guys to hear this dryer starting up. It'll be better when you hear it, like when we're in there, but you'll hear it really good. Is the car right in front of us? Like, right, the car wash right in front of us?
Our ahead of us is
I don't know if you guys can see the brushes. Can you see the brushes from here?
Put your hand free.
I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but that's where the brushes are. I'm gonna get a full video of the tour. It's touchless. That's right. That's right. The boss told me, the manager there told me that it was touchless. That's right. I completely forgot about that. I think it's just water pressure. That's all it is. It's just pressure. That's all it is. Just have to do it. Really hear the water spring. And watch this. I want you guys to hear this. Woo! Missed. Got the camera watched a little bit. What did you guys saw that one? Can you feel it? Car wash. On the run car wash at the Esso gas station. Now listen to this. The dryer's gonna start up. I love this thing. Any minute.
You go to the dryer, you have to.
Right. Wait till the thing starts. I know when to put my window up. That's my head on. That would be the rinse, and listen to this. I apologize for the noise. Love that sound. When the roller window's up now you guys are gonna get a chance to see it.
Put your window up.
Yeah, window's up. It's touchless. I think it's a tornado dryer. I'm not sure. You gotta get out of here in 30 seconds. So now it's our turn. Here we go. be able to go for the pre-rinse?
It's washing underneath the car now.
You gotta stop there, right?
Okay, now it's going to start. We're going to get washed right now. You got your windows up?
Yep.
Okay.
You gonna turn the car off?
No. You keep the car running in park.
I got sprayed by those very same sprinklers once. That was quite by accident, by the way, in case you're wondering. The brushes are gonna come right beside us. Good. I don't wanna get sprayed. Are those things moving? They're moving.
Yep. Yep.
What's it doing now?
Washing again. I washed it 3 or 4 times. Dumping water in.
And now it's behind the car.
Mm-hmm.
What about the soap?
It shoots it on with soap at the same time.
That I would not want to get sprayed by.
Right. Now that's just the water washing off the soap.
That was only the. And what I got sprayed was only the pre-rinse. I bet you this is much harder than that. Not for my favorite sound ever. Here it comes. There's the brushes.
Oh, there's no brushes. It's just shooting out water on it.
Well, there's no brushes actually. It's touchless. Sorry, my bad. The hoses, I mean. Now the dryer is gonna start up in a minute. You can hear the motors running, controlling the water, and I think it's washing the tires. And I'll come back again. Oh, I get it.
That's it now.
Listen to this.
Oh. Coming again. Please pull forward.
Watch this. Tornado dryer. Here we go. Watch this. Whoa. Oh yeah, baby. ho. Oh yeah!
That's it.
And that is that.
And that is that.
Your car was...
Okay, you got your seatbelt on, bud?
Yeah, oh yeah, my seatbelt's already on. I haven't turned it on. Well, and as we drive out of there, yeah, that thing was touchless. Anyways, there's a bit of view of the North Bay. Music around the gas station, and that was the car wash. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and well, we'll wait till we get to the closest thing, and then we'll closest stop sign, and the closest red light, and then we'll stop the camera. Actually, you know what? Yeah. I'll give you an update about the wash after. And that's it for now. Alright guys, you want the result of the car wash result? Excuse me. I'm at Shoppers Drug Mart. That's if you don't know what that is, that's a Canadian store. I don't know if it's I don't know if they have it in the States either, but anyways, here's the result. It's a Honda paddle, right? Here's the back of it. What is this? B0O. I'm gonna say B00. SS8. Yeah. B00 S8. There's the